Today, we will see another tricky word problem on applications of HCF. 9 pencils and 14 erasers are to be distributed equally among 4 friends. Find the items received by each friend and the leftovers. Observe, this is an example for equal distribution. Step 1. Calculate the distribution of pencils. That is, total pencils divided by number of friends. That is, 9 divided by 4 gives you 2 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Therefore, each friend gets 2 pencils and 1 pencil is left over. Step 2. Calculate the distribution of erasers. That is, total erasers divided by number of friends. That is, 14 divided by 4 gives you 3 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. Therefore, each friend gets 3 erasers and 2 erasers are left over. Final answer, each friend gets 2 pencils and 3 erasers. Also, 1 pencil and 2 erasers are left over. Got it? Thank you for watching. For such tricky questions, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.